All right, bring it in. We need to have a real talk right now. Essential oils can be dangerous. That's right, I said it. Essential oils can be dangerous if they are not used properly. I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I'm going to share with you the 3 most common ways people misuse oils. Essential oils are extremely strong, and when they are not used properly, they can have extreme consequences. The first most common way people misuse essential oils is by ingesting them. 1 drop of essential oil is as strong as 40 cups of tea. I don't see anybody drinking 40 cups of tea. So if you want to add a flavor to your water, use lemon juice, not lemon essential oil. You can clean your table with lemon essential oil. You don't want to put that in your body. Number 2, essential oils do not replace the advice given by your doctor. They can be really helpful for promoting overall wellness. Essential oils do not replace the advice or treatment given by a doctor, and if you're taking any medication, you should check with your doctor before using essential oils because some may interfere with the effects of your medication. Essential oils can be used to ease troublesome symptoms or promote overall wellness, but it should not be used to treat illnesses or diseases. If you're interested in using essential oils for a specific ailment, talk to a doctor versed in aromatherapy and pharmaceutics to make sure that oil is right for you. The third way people most often misuse essential oils is not diluting them before putting them on the skin. When I say dilute essential oils, that means using a carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil with just a few drops of essential oil in it before putting it on your skin. Skin irritation looks like anything from a small rash to redness to a burning sensation. If you experience any of those, dilute the area with a carrier oil like coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, and that will help soothe those irritations. For more information on how to dilute oils properly, check out our dilution chart. We'll link to it below. So how to use essential oils safely? Don't eat them, talk to your doctor, and dilute them properly. Thanks for watching. We're excited to be part of your journey to a toxin-free home.